Now guys, we will going to talk about the ads. So ads are basically the creatives. Remember, if you will just go here, so these are your ad creatives. So people will going to see your ad creatives, and on that basis they will click on your ad and they will go to your landing page. Okay, they will go to your landing page. Creatives are this one, like you see here. Okay, like these ads. Okay, all these things are creatives. You can see all these are creative: the text, title, image. So we say it as a creative. So as we have mentioned, using Canva you can create creatives, and I assume that you might have got some images and videos to use. Okay, so you can upload it from here, from let's say your computer maybe. Okay, so you can just put and upload the image you have. Okay, so for this display campaign you can choose the image as well. You can just upload whatever you have, for example image. Okay, so you can select that image. For example, we have created this, but we have put created this as a video format, so it's not giving, it is only giving us the option to add the image. But don't worry, at the bottom you guys can also add the videos as well. For example, from here you guys can put the videos as well. So for that purpose you can just go to YouTube. Whatever video you have created, just upload it and copy the YouTube URL. For example, let me just open the YouTube in the private window. So you just have to go to YouTube, upload that video which you have created and want to display as a video. For example, we have this Tom and Jerry video. I will just copy the link address. Then okay, so after you upload the video, just paste it. Automatically YouTube will going to fetch that video and just save it up. Awesome, like this. So you can see, you can also run the video ads. Also you can put the images, for example, just for a teaching purpose I am putting this image. So YouTube will automatically going to suggest some image. Along with that, you have the option to go with the website. Okay, so you can just put the website, or you can even upload it. Okay, so that's totally up to you, by the way. But create images, as we have told you that while in the previous video, that you must need to create some videos, images as well using Canva. Okay, and then just click on the save button. Awesome, everything is good to go. You can just also add some images as well. For example, if I just add the image, okay, so along with that you can also go to the free stock images from here, and you can just search for something. For example, let's say your business is related to dog. You can just search for dog, it will just going to scan the free images. And let's say if your product is related to dog, you can just select that. Okay, so you can see that image will also be added. Similarly, you can select the other images as well, like that. Okay, and 15 are suggested as mentioned, and after you do that, just click on the save button, and of course you can upload your own. Okay, so maybe from Canva you have created some image, so from this option you can just upload it to your ads, and just click on the save button, and in this way we have got each and everything. Okay, and now you can also mention let's say your headline for. Okay, so according to your final URL, it will going to fetch the headline, but also you can put it manually as well. For example, best online courses, something like this, courses at affordable price, something like that, and you can add more and more. Okay, and before that, just do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, you can also ask Google Bart. Okay, for example, you can say, hey, I am creating ad creatives for Google Ads, so suggest me high attention grabbing headlines. How many headlines you can put is 5 headlines. Okay, so you can also ask it, suggest me 5 high attention grabbing headlines. Okay, click on enter button and Google bars will going to provide you with the headlines which you guys can use. Okay, let's see like this. So maybe you have something, and if you love something you can just put it over here, and you can also mention to Google bar only 30 words are allowed. Okay, so you can just go here, maximum 30 words. Update it. But you have to make sure that you provide about Google what you are offering, and on that, so on that basis it will just going to guide you. Okay, unlock your desired skill. Okay, like that you can put unlock your desired skill. Okay, and all that thing you can put. Okay, so basically you guys can take the idea from these headlines and you can just put that over here. Okay, and similarly for long headline, maybe I just put this one, desired scale. Let's say I put AI digital marketing. Okay, etc. in 100 days. Awesome, something like this. Okay, you can even put description. You can also ask Google Bart about the description as well. It will going to provide you. Just for a temporary purpose I can put this. Okay, just for a dummy purpose. Okay, and you can just add more and more. Okay, and you can see on after you will going to put your headlines, long headline and description, this will going to show you the preview that how everything will going to look. Okay, the ad which you will going to create will going to look something like this, and you can see ad strength has also become good. If you will going to add headlines and description more here, so it will going to improve more. Okay, so make sure you just add more. Because of less time I am just keeping it to 2, but you have to add more, and you can see how it will going to look like in website and apps. You can see the different view like this. Okay, amazing. And you can also see how it will going to look on YouTube and Gmail. So this is how your YouTube campaigns will going to look like. Okay, on here as well on Gmail, this is how it will going to look like. Awesome. Okay, and after you guys will going to do this, you can just click on the next button. Okay, and as I have mentioned, you can create as many as ad. So inside ad group you can create, let's say, one ad. So right now we have created one ad. Okay, which is this one, and similarly you can create more ad. Okay, but let's keep it simple. Let's go to the next button. Now it will just going to see, Google will going to see that everything is good to go. So you can see everything is good to go, and in case if there will be any problem, So Google will going to suggest that this is the problem which you have to verify, okay, or you have to correct. So you can correct that and then just click on the publish campaign. That's it.